In my current role as chairman of the House Homeland Security Committee's Transportation and Maritime Security Subcommittee, I am continuously concerned by the security threats facing maritime ports across the country. I'm especially worried by the security vulnerabilities that exist with port equipment that is manufactured or installed in the People's Republic of China. The ship-to-shore cranes hovering over our docks, including the ones here, while instrumental to our port operations, are a focal point of that concern. Most of the U.S. port-to-ship cranes, nearly 80%, are made by CPMC, a Chinese state-owned enterprise under the direct control of the Chinese Communist Party. This near monopoly allows for CPMC to compromise U.S.-bound cranes that could cause malfunctions or facilitate cyber espionage at U.S. ports. This situation not only presents cybersecurity threats, but also supply chain vulnerabilities that could be exploited by those who wish to inflict damage to our nation and could have lasting impacts. Unfortunately, Communist China's influence in the supply chain extends beyond state enterprises like CPMC. Third-party companies often create the internal operational components for these ship-to-shore cranes. These components include programmable logic controllers, which control many ship-to-shore crane systems, as well as crane drives and motors. In most all cases, CPMC requires, and I repeat, requires that these companies ship their components to the PRC, where they can be installed by CPMC engineers or technicians. As my subcommittee has discussed in previous hearings, the proliferation of port equipment operational technology manufactured or installed by engineers in the PRC introduces significant supply chain vulnerabilities into our maritime transportation system. As a country, we must acknowledge and assess these risks, threats, and vulnerabilities and decide how to effectively respond.